Welcome to Arty Crafty Alchemy. Today we are taking a look at the second lot of 5 kits that I got from one of the clearance paper packs from Kaisercraft. I'm the Arty Crafty Alchemist. Let's see what I got. This I think is my least favourite out of this, although I do love that one. I'm always going to love that. That is awesome. It's not my colours, I'll say. I do like this one. This one is quite cool. We have a spotted background, but again, these ones don't have names, so I can't tell you what they are, just that it's from the In the Attic collection. So we have the suitcases, a spotty background, a ladder, all sorts of things layered up there. And on the back, we just have a black sort of textured piece. I don't know if you can see it. It's sort of like a mottled, marbly type pattern, but it is very faint. Barely there. And there's a tiny little bit of spots in the corners. Then we have this random box pattern with spots in the background, and on the back we have this very vibrant green shell type pattern with some print and ledger on the side. Then we have this red floral, and there is a grid in the background. Then we have this heart grid. It's really cute, and there's some newsprint down the side. I don't like this page. I'm going to throw it out there. I don't like this page. It's that colour. It just does not speak to me. In the background of the flowers there's newsprint, which is really cool, but it's really weird because some of them are upside down. That one's upside down, that one's up the right way, the ledger goes this way, so that writing's upside down, that one's upside down, that one's up the right way. That's a bit weird. And then we have patterns, and I just don't like this colour. If I can't find my way to do something with it, I will donate it to somebody else. Or I have a little cousin who crafts, so I'll see if she wants it, and if she doesn't want it, then I'll probably pass it on to the Women's Health Centre, because I have a lot of paper right now, so I don't need to keep things that I probably won't use. Then we have these apothecary drawers, or library drawers, I'm not sure which. And then we have this brown tone-on-tone with dots floral pattern. I do like that, so I like both sides of that. Then we have cowhide. And on the back we have all these cool book covers and things. That's the page I can see me using. And then we have the sticker sheet, and we have these cool records, tape measure, that scallopy design, florals, the birds, buttons, ladders, the drawer pulls, and tickets. Treasure, cherish, love, and laugh. So that was In the Attic. And now we're moving on to Tropicana, which is more my speed. And again, this must be a very old collection because it doesn't have the strips on the bottom. I'm not sure when they actually started adding the strips. I just know that most of my papers have the strips. Whether that means they weren't bought in kits, they were bought as single sheets, some of the older ones I've got, or that these are very, very, very super old kits, I don't know. So first we have these beautiful flowers, and on the back we have a pineapple and a little ad with some butterflies and a map. I like both sides of that. It's hard when you like both sides. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. All these vintage style photos. I love that. I'll definitely be cutting probably both of those sheets apart to use as them instead of using this. I do like this, but that's just everything. I just love those snapshots that have been vintaged up. Next is some more leaves with a spotty background, and on the back we have some distressed stripes with a palm tree. Then we have some washed out shells. They have the map over the top with that bit of script that was on the other piece. And then on the back we have the beautiful spots and butterflies with more map along the edges. Then we have this very vintaged up large scene from a beach, and there's spots along the background as well. And on the back we have words: relax, peace, sun, beach, holiday, island, serenity. Then we have another large beach scene. We've got some more map and just a little bit of floral design on the side and some spots. Oh, it looks like I'm missing a sheet of paper. Oh well, for $2 I cannot complain. And then on the back we have that type design, and the cat has come to say hello. Then with the sticker sheet we have a good amount of alphabet and letters at the top. We have some leaves: relax, tropical beach, secluded, sun, peace, rejuvenate, sand, getaway. Lots of beautiful flowers, butterflies. We have leaves as a border strip, flowers, butterflies, and then lots of different words. Greetings from paradise, this is bliss, soaking up the sun. How beautiful is it to do nothing? Adventure is worthwhile. What a day. A holiday is having nothing to do all day. Again, that was Tropicana. Now we are at Botanical Odyssey, which is another one I'm not 100% sure on, so we'll see. We have this funky floral design on the front, butterflies and birds, and then on the back we have the pink and blue spots with some very faint script in the background. I really like that actually. Then we have the quatrefoil design with a butterfly and a faded pattern in the background, and on the back we have this florally wallpapery type pattern, I guess. Then we have these really cool stripes, I love that, and on the back we have the pink leaves, which I like as well. I really like this one as well. It has the butterflies and the quatrefoil, some swirls, and sign down the side. I like this side better than this side. This side has another wallpapery type design to me. They all look like old wallpapers. So does this actually, but you know. Then there's this blue floral design, and on the back we have white leaves, spots, a yellow background, some butterflies, some script. Then we have another floral pattern, lots of butterflies, script, and on the back we have this very busy pattern. And then we have the sticker sheet. We have a border of butterflies, a border of half doilies, flourishes, friends, memories, some tags, you make me happy, love, happy, some flowers, butterflies, pattern border strip, birds, large flower strip, butterfly, and then some more strips at the bottom. I have to admit, from the looks of this, I really like the collection. I haven't actually gone through the pages yet. We are going through them together. I don't think I was sure about this when it came out, so I didn't get it, but I'm thinking a lot of these papers are really pretty, so let's have a look at High Tea. Now the first one is called Devonshire. This one has the strips at the bottom, and I didn't actually plan to have these at the end. This is just the way it ended up, I guess. We have this gorgeous floral with a very lacy background, and then a pretty, again, wallpaper pattern. And then at the bottom is teacups. Then we have a design with teacups and flowers in the corner, some script, green background, and it's called Biscuit. Then we have wood grain, which has been a theme through a lot of their collections lately. Time has a wonderful way of reminding us what is really important. Now, I don't mind a bit of wood grain, but when it's in almost every collection recently, that is, you know, gone a bit too far. The other thing that seems to be popping up a bit is doors, and I do like the doors too, but not in every collection. Then we have this beautiful floral with the script on the grey in the background. We have a split piece with checked gingham, lace, and a floral at the top. So many of my smiles begin with you. This one is called Tea Leaves. This one is called Tea Time, and it has the teacup, floral, another wood grainy type background, and doily up in the corner, and then on the back we've got peeling wallpaper. And at the bottom it says noted. Then we have this gorgeous, again, it looks like it must be wallpaper or something. Actually, see, up in the corner makes you think like it's wallpaper, but then when you look at the background, it looks like the flowers are superimposed on some cheesecloth or something like that. So who knows? This one is called Afternoon Tea, and then on the back we have spots and script, and we have this funky little border down the bottom. And then we have a page of borders. May our paths always lead us back to one another. Good friends know all your stories, but your best friends help you write them. Friendship doubles our joy and divides our grief. We have a couple of blank ones, and then we have friends are the family we choose for ourselves, and a friend is a gift to treasure forever. And this one's called Shortcake, and on the back we have this really pretty pink lace design and then some lace down the bottom. And then we have the sticker sheet for this one. We have this big floral, we have lots of hearts, some borders, and then giggles, secrets, sometimes tears, sisters and friends through the years. True friends are rare and precious. Cherish this moment. So grateful. Thank you. Beautiful memories. And then, no kitty. And then lastly, from the clearance bundle, this is the 10th kit. This is Provincial, and I really like this one as well. From the looks, I love this beautiful floral. Hydrangea, it's called. And then on the back, we have this beautiful lace and clocks. Then this one is the larger version of the clocks, and it is called Hedge. And on the back we have a hedge. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are there. I am partial to the clocks, so I am guessing I will probably use the clocks. Then we have, I don't know if they're brands, postmarks, little bits of different things. Passport, some brand things, stamps, ads, all different things laid up there. That's pretty cool. We have the quatrefoil on blue, which is really pretty. I'm so lucky to have you by my side. Grateful for our friendship. And that one is called Mail. This one is lovely. This is called Hampton, and we have the beautiful floral. We have some script on the side, a little bit of lace peeking down that side. Then on the back we have script and blue butterflies. This one is called Chase. And we have the horizontal stripes and the vertical stripes. And I'm so lucky to have you by my side. Grateful for our friendship again. And then on the back we have this very busy pattern and the hydrangea florals down the bottom. Oh my goodness, this looks like Wedgwood blue. This one is called Toil. That's beautiful. I love that. All different things. We've got wheelhouses, farm, windmill, lots of birds and horses and geese, butterfly. I love that. Oh, and then on the other side we have like a wrought iron roof or something like that, one of the white painted ones. That's gorgeous. And then some lace. And then the sticker sheet has some clocks. We have the floral corner, butterflies, a crown, grateful, thankful, cherished, perfect, lovely, a short border, long border strips, clocks, leaves. Because of your smile you make life beautiful. Everything beautiful has its moment. Precious. A smile happens in a flash, but its memory can last a lifetime. Families are forever, you and me. Thankful for the small things in life. In love with my life. Every minute of it. Love life always. Moment by moment we create our life adventures. Live the life you have imagined and treasured. And then we have postage marks. And that was the end of Provincial. Now I do have one more kit I am going to sneak into this. We are going to have a look at this Pawfect one because I actually bought it at the same time as those ones and it seems silly to do a whole nother video just for this. The main reason I bought this was because I bought some of the ephemera kits and they have the collectibles for the Pawfect kit, so I thought I may as well go ahead and buy this when it was half off. I didn't want to buy the pack of papers that had this one in it because I don't like most of the ones that were in it, so I just went ahead and got this one and it was on clearance for $2.50, which I think it's still there for $5 at the moment, and when they have their 50% off you can get it. So this one is called Cats, and on the back we have cat fur and little cat border. This one is called Kitty. We have a zigzag pattern with some burlap at the top and bottom. Kitty with some paw prints, and on the back we have the paw prints and some fish bones. Then we have awesome cut aparts. Live, laugh, meow, love at first sight. What greater gift than the love of a cat? Charles Dickens. Catitude. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. Spoilt cat. Home is where the cat is. I love cats. Friends forever. Time spent with cats is never wasted. No home is complete without the pitter-patter of kitty feet. And that one is called Meow. And then on the back we have wood grain with paw prints. This next one is called Purr. And we have lots more cut aparts. We have some border strips. Meow, purr, meow, meow, purr. A house is not a home without a cat. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. As every cat owner knows, no one owns a cat. Life is better with cats. Sometimes that's debatable with my cat. But this one was called Purr. It might be cat paper, but you're not invited right now. And then on the back we have the cat heads, and the smallest feline is a masterpiece, Leonardo da Vinci. Then we have this really cool script. Playful, mischievous, perfect, loving, perfect, cuddly, energetic, forever, affectionate, family, pawsome, faithful, love, friend. This one is called Pawsome. And on the back we have the zigzag design. I'm partial to that design. Pets are bundles of love wrapped in fur. Then we have a burlap with a bit of stitching on it. And it doesn't have the title printed on it, so I can't tell you what it's called. That was weird. And then we have another wood grain piece and some spots. Kitty is helping. She just turned off the light. And then we have the stickers, and we have balls of wool, some swirly designs. Admit one, best cat, Cat Appreciation Society, cat lover, you are perfect, cat rules. We have a heart border with paws, some cats, fish bones, ball of wool, spoilt cat, cool cat, best cat, cat Head, fish bones, paws, friends forever. It wasn't me, it was the dog. I swear my cat would say that if I had a dog. Cats are not our whole lives, but they make our lives whole. Crazy for cats. You're the cat's pajamas. That was a look at the last 5 kits I got in clearance paper pack from Kaisercraft, as well as a look at the Pawfect collection. Let me know below what your favourite one was. I am partial to Provincial and High Tea. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to see more content like this, and hit the bell notification to know when new videos come out. If you're interested in planning, I will link my planner channel up here. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now. And then we have wood green, and we have the cot meow pure. Sometimes that's debatable with my cat. Cats are not our whole lives, but they make our whole... If you're interested in planning, I will link my planner channel over here.